Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here, and here we have a Casablanca Four Seasons 3. And now I filmed a bunch of Four Seasons 3s already, but I figured I'd have this one for childhood reasons. It's in my office. Anyways, it's in the brush nickel finish, and yeah, and here's low. Edelweiss, Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, strong and bright, keen and bright, blossom of soul, may you bloom and blow forever. Edelweiss. Oh, I don't know why I started singing Edelweiss, but yeah. This is the speed it usually runs on, usually is low, for childhood reasons, because the French restaurant I used to go to back when I was a kid had two of them, and they always ran on low. That's why I'll have this one set to default to low. Just like the Quick Connect next door and the Stratford 2 right there. So yeah, it's about it for low. Here's medium. And this one right here runs for 24/7 for security reasons. But the common Zephyr in the middle doesn't run for 24/7. The light stays on 24/7 on it though. But maybe one day I might put a fan there that runs 24/7 on low. And I have them on low for energy saving reasons too. And also so it doesn't ruin the air conditioner. Or it doesn't blow valuable papers away. Here's high. This must be just like living in paradise. Just like the one that you found. Here's off. Here's spin down. And reverse switch. There's reverse it. This fan takes a long spin down time, just as long as the one in one of the dorms at my school. Here we go. Dun 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 Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.